All right, we're locked and loaded. Got the tile, here we go. Sun, 30 inch.
I'll make sure you shut the power off. Should be a 15-amp breaker. Also.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you like, subscribe. I do DIYs, small projects around the house. Affordable, easy to do. Anyone can do them. All right, so we're gonna demo this bathroom. Pull the walls out, we're gonna retile. We're leaving the tub. Wet sheetrock back there. So we'll take care of all that. Continue knocking this out. Okay, so that's it for the demo portion. I'm gonna go back through. I'll clean it up, get my shop vac, clean this all up, get some straight edges here, take these nails out, redo the plumbing. Don't burn yourself, folks. Get the plumbing in. Let these babies loose here. Everything else is, this is tightened down. Got the Teflon over there. Tightened down, tightened down. These are floating, these are loose. This one's done, tightened down. So I'll cut this one afterwards when I get it in. So I'm gonna cut the old line out. All right, guys. So I am not a plumber, not whatsoever, but we'll try everything once. So I have got it all plumbed in. As you can see here, I'm using the green laser to line up the niche. I know it's pronounced in many ways. Cubby hole, storage sock. That's red guard. I'll roll it on, do 2 coats. And then I have some mesh tape, some fiber mesh tape I applied. Just double security just to make sure it doesn't leak through. I already put mesh tape on the background with the all set. That's all set up. So yeah, I'm gonna roll this on. Just let it dry. Don't mind the noise. I also took the level and set her there. Gave myself a center line. The wall is 59 inches, so I just split it down the middle. That'll at least keep me on track. Keep in mind the walls on the outside will come in and out as you go up, so if you just stay on line here. And then always set your back wall and then come to the sides. That way you can hide the cut. So the side wall here will hide that cut in the back. Same thing here. And then when you set your niche, whatever you want to call it. Mine are 6-inch tiles. So prior to setting mine, I measured up where I wanted it to finish. Mine was 36. Came back 1.5 inches for the 2x4. Another 1/2 inch for the rock. Another 1/2 inch for tile. All set. So when you come back, you know, your set way down here. You got your 2x4 here. You got your rock, and you got all the insulate, and then you do the same on the top. So my cubby was 12.5. So, yep, that's it. so now that I have my baseline set, I go through and take my level and make a mark here on each line going up. Take my laser line, I'll mark that all the way up. I'll bring it down here. That way I don't have to use my line, pull my laser out of it. So I want to just show you guys how easy the spin doctors are to take off. Got my nephew here to demonstrate for us how easy these are to take off. All right, go and do this one right here.
Okay, how do you want it down?
To left, no, go from right to left. There you go, get the next one. Take a quick break. Tell you thanks for watching. Subscribe. I'm about to finish up here. Take it all the way to the top, and then I'm going to trim this out with some wood. I'll cover it in some epoxy. So, yeah, man. Like, subscribe, hit that bell for my new videos. So I made this box here is 46 by 10, framed it out. We'll go right in here, we're gonna insert this.